Jesse, let us begin with advanced classification.
Sure, Harry.
What is the difference between classification and regression?
Classification predicts discrete labels like spam or not spam, while regression predicts continuous values such as prices. Both are supervised learning tasks.
Key concepts here are supervised learning, machine learning. Be clear on definitions and provide examples. Common mistakes candidates make here are confusing continuous and discrete outcomes. What are some common metrics for evaluating classification models?
Common metrics include accuracy, precision, recall, and F1 score. Accuracy measures overall correctness, while precision and recall focus on relevant predictions.
Key concepts here are model evaluation, classification metrics, include trade-offs when discussing metrics. Common mistakes candidates make here are only mentioning accuracy without context. Why is feature selection important in classification?
Feature selection reduces overfitting, improves accuracy, and decreases computational costs by removing irrelevant or redundant features.
Key concepts here are feature engineering, model performance, discuss benefits quantitatively when possible. Common mistakes candidates make here are overlooking the impact of irrelevant features. What is class imbalance in classification and how can it be addressed?
Class imbalance occurs when one class is underrepresented. It can be addressed through techniques like resampling, synthetic data generation, or using different metrics.
Key concepts here are class imbalance, resampling techniques. Mention specific use cases in examples. Common mistakes candidates make here are suggesting only accuracy as a viable metric. What are ensemble methods? And why are they useful in classification?
Ensemble methods combine multiple classifiers to improve predictions. They enhance accuracy and reduce variance, leading to more robust models.
Key concepts here are ensemble learning, model robustness, include trade-offs in ensemble approaches. Common mistakes candidates make here are confusing boosting with bagging. Implement a function to calculate the accuracy of a classification model.
To calculate accuracy, compare the predicted values with actual labels, then divide the correct predictions by total predictions. Use a list comprehension for clarity and efficiency.
Key concepts here are model evaluation, accuracy calculation. Ensure your solution is clean and efficient. Common mistakes candidates make here are neglecting to account for all predictions. Write a function to implement k-fold cross-validation.
K-fold cross-validation splits data into k subsets, trains the model k times on different subsets, and averages the performance. It's effective for reliable model assessment.
Key concepts here are cross-validation, model evaluation. Be clear on how to handle edge cases. Common mistakes candidates make here are not ensuring all folds represent the original data distribution. Implement a function to handle class imbalance using Smooth.
Smooth synthesizes new samples for the underrepresented class. By considering the nearest neighbors, it generates data points that enrich the class, addressing imbalance effectively.
Key concepts here are class balancing, synthetic data generation. Explain the importance of hyperparameters. Common mistakes candidates make here are forgetting to normalize data after applying Smooth. Develop a function to compute our ROC-AUC score.
The ROC-AUC score quantifies a model's capability to distinguish between classes. It utilizes true positive rates versus false positive rates to evaluate classification performances.
Key concepts here are model evaluation, ROC-AUC score. Include visualizations as supplementary information. US. Common mistakes candidates make here are not understanding threshold impacts on performance. Write a function for hyperparameter tuning using Grid Search CV.
Grid Search CV optimizes model hyperparameters systematically. By specifying a parameter grid, it evaluates combinations against cross-validated scores, maximizing performance.
Key concepts here are hyperparameter tuning, model optimization. Emphasize importance of cross-validation in tuning. Common mistakes candidates make here are over-tuning on validation set. That concludes the interview.
Thank you, Harry.
Subscribe for more advanced technical interviews. For such content, do like, subscribe and share.